In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a GIF on Steam profile. So open up Steam, log into your Steam account, and then what we're going to do, click on your profile, which is on your top right there. Click on it and then hit on View My Profile. Okay, go to your profile, and then once you get to your profile here, on your right side here, scroll all the way down and you will see an option called Artwork. Click on Artwork. Okay, now what we're going to do, you're going to upload the artwork. So click on Upload Artwork, and then you can either upload this artwork, which is the GIF image for a game specific, for a specific game. If it is so, just type in the game name, or not game specific. I'll just go for not game specific. Okay, now you can give a title for this artwork. So just put that, any title of your choice, that's fine. And then now you need to choose the GIF file. So to create the GIF file, what you can do is open up any browser of your choice and just search for no copyright GIF. Okay, and then open up this gif.com where you'll see no copyright GIFs which are like free to use. Okay, so log into this website here, and once you're here, you can just choose any GIF image that you want to use. So for example, let's say this one here. Okay, I'll just use any GIF image, and then you go to like save it. Okay, so click on download and then download the GIF image. And once you download the image, make sure that it's in GIF format. Okay, downloaded it. So next what we're going to do is go back to your, and then here title, click on choose file, and then select your artwork. So choose the file that you just downloaded, that just choose that. Okay, so once you have chosen it, then scroll all the way down and you can add some description if you want to. Okay, and then the visibility, you can set it what you want it to be visible, that GIF. So you can just set that, whether to yourself, private or unlisted, whatever. Once you are done with those things, click on this I certify that I created this artwork, and then continue and complete